What do you think is the challenge here in terms of the legacy way of operating to what drones will require, or the flexibility that will be required? Because I can't imagine looking at these flights or these this traffic to follow same rules as the aircrafts and the passenger aircraft, and schedule flights and all that sort of stuff. I mean, if you're looking at talking about a taxi, taxi can't wait 2 days to take off. You have the passengers, you go, right? That's kind of the idea. So what's your view, what the industry need to look at?
I mean, the way I see the vision is, of course, maybe at some point in 20 years and 30 years, it's gonna be like the Fifth Element, right? Like the movie that we knew with Bruce Willis. And so, how do we get there? Yes, good question. How do we get there? We need to consider that we need to get there step by step. So we're gonna get somehow there. We're gonna get there step by step, but we need to consider that drones right now, for example, it's good. They're advancing much faster. They're reshaping slowly the air traffic as well, but also the infrastructure and how to connect point to point delivery of goods. So I think we need to consider that there are some air corridors maybe as well that we can maybe use in a different way in the future. So to really expand our horizon, see we have reserved certain air corridors. How can we shape it maybe in the future? How can we actually consider that there is a bigger sky truck, for example, or a sky bus that flies in up to maybe 10,000 feet, and then we have the normal regional aircrafts, and then we have like the air taxis that fly a bit lower, and then we have the drones. So I think all that will definitely, I think definitely would be fun to structure that in the future, because there's a lot of points to consider. But if we just follow that vision that we're having, that they need to somehow collaborate and they need to somehow work together in the air and also on the ground, I'm sure we're gonna get there together, also with the regulators.